Welcome to the Deep Dive. Today, we're looking into something really vital for many homes, especially if you live somewhere rainy: sump pumps.
That's right.
Our mission: figure out what these clever things actually do and, well, why they're such a big deal for keeping your house safe and dry.
And all our info today is coming from the folks at Pacific Blue Mechanical, who know this stuff inside out.
Yeah, it's funny, isn't it? Most people probably don't give sump pumps a second thought.
Not until there's a huge downpour, usually.
Okay.
But they're surprisingly simple, mechanically, but so important for your home's health.
Okay, so let's get into it. What exactly is a sump pump? Can you break it down?
Sure. So imagine you've got this little guardian living down in a special hole in your basement floor.
Okay, a hole.
Yeah, it's called a sump pit. That's where the pump lives.
And its job?
Its job is basically water management. When water starts collecting in that pit, maybe from heavy rain, groundwater, stuff like that, the pump gets rid of it.
Okay. So heavy rain, like we definitely get here in West Vancouver, that water collects in the pit.
Exactly. And when it gets high enough,
something triggers the pump.
Precisely. There's a little thing called a float switch. Think of it like the float in your toilet tank,
Yeah.
When the water lifts it up.
It tells the pump, okay, time to work.
You got it. The pump then kicks on and pushes all that collected water out through a pipe, sending it far away from your house foundation.
So the main goal is just keeping the basement from turning into a swimming pool.
Pretty much. But it's more than just avoiding a soggy basement. It prevents mold. Mold loves damp spots. And it protects the actual structure, the foundation of your house. Really vital, especially here in BC, where groundwater can be a real issue.
That makes a lot of sense. So beyond just dryness, what are the really big benefits? Why should homeowners, really care about having one?
Well, think of it like a shield, like you said. It actively stops water from damaging your floors, your walls, even the foundation itself. No more dealing with that damp, musty basement situation.
Which I imagine saves you money.
Oh, hugely. Water damage repairs, they can be incredibly expensive. We're talking wall replacements, mold remediation. It adds up fast.
Yeah.
So the pump prevents that. It's an investment that saves you potentially massive costs down the line.
Right, protecting your biggest asset in your bank account.
Exactly. And there's another angle too, home value.
Oh, how so?
Well, if you ever decide to sell, having a sump pump, especially a well-maintained one, is a real plus for buyers, particularly in areas known for rain, like West Vancouver.
It signals the home is well protected.
Precisely. It gives buyers peace of mind, shows you've taken care of potential water issues. It can definitely make your home more attractive on the market.
That's a really key point. So, okay, let's say someone needs a sump pump installed, or maybe just checked. Our source, Pacific Blue Mechanical, emphasizes using local experts in West Vancouver. Why is that local knowledge so important?
Yeah, localization is key here. It's not just about knowing pumps, it's about knowing the area.
What do you mean?
Local pros, they understand the specific conditions right here in West Vancouver. The typical rainfall patterns, the soil types, how water tends to flow in different neighborhoods, the terrain, the hills and everything.
So they can recommend the right type of pump.
Exactly. It's not one size fits all. They use that local knowledge to help you choose the perfect pump system for your specific house and its situation. It's like getting the right size raincoat, not just any raincoat.
That makes perfect sense. It's tailored advice.
Absolutely. And Pacific Blue Mechanical, they mentioned they cover a wide area too: Vancouver, White Rock, Langley, Surrey, lots of places nearby. Plus, knowing you can call someone 24/7, like their number, 604-652-9468, that's huge peace of mind. Or check their website, of course. That local expertise combined with availability is a major advantage.
Okay, so let's wrap this up. A sump pump seems like a small device, but it's a real powerhouse for your home.
Definitely a mighty hero.
Especially, with the kind of rain we see around West Vancouver. It keeps things dry, saves you money on potential disasters, and can even boost your home's value.
And knowing that local experts can really fine-tune that protection specifically for your home, well, that lets you rest easy, knowing your biggest investment is looked after.
So the question for you listening is, what steps might you take to ensure your own home stays safe and dry? Something to think about.